I'm Cody Frazier and I'm gonna go kill some bees.
Let's move in.
They're up there. I see them.
They got him. They got him in the eyes.
Good. Back it up. Back it up. Stay down there. It's dangerous.
I'm being attacked by the throat.
Stay back!
Cody!
Stay back!
Cody! Look through, Cody! Cody, look in! Don't waste it. Look in! Look in! Look down here.
I see a nest.
Look down here. Hey!
Back!
Oh my god, it smells up there. We're moving around. We're moving around.
I hit one.
They're out here. They're out here.
Where are they at?
Watch you like fall. Okay, you gotta jump out now. Jump out like you're out of attack or something.
Get the nest. You gotta get the nest.
Oh crap!
I've already gotten the nest.
Go straight again. Okay.
This is intense.
This is Cody Frazier, the dangerous adventurer that kills other animals. In this case, it was an insect.
Cody, just jump on
The insect of a wasp. Oh! He did a barrel roll!
Alright, we're good, we're good.